Sing to me of heaven, sing that song of peace. From the toils that bind me, it will bring release. Burdens will be lifted that are pressing so. Showers of great blessing o'er my heart will flow. Sing to me of heaven, let me fondly dream of its golden glory.
Hello, I'm Wakwaba, Eba walking in the light. So, within the brother junior upon Gilbert. Mena a senior dear, sa ABC, Sese, Sisi Adusia Yusiano, say the history of the Holy Bible. Bible no, and sem ben kwa na efa ho. Na bako se ben na ewo ho. Aya ji atum se Onyankopon asem. Sa asem no na Yesua na part 1 edi. Onua na part 1 mu a meyeye no obinum ma comments bi ewo WhatsApp group ya ato ne din se religion in the Bible. Mema wakwaba se wa wo ma wo hwe me no. Onua awo religion in the Bible nim no. Se wo hu so bi post ya de bi efa Christopher ho se die nti onu ameye Kristoni ana akwa fa so de twa Christopher ma bebe nklemofo. Onua sa group na nklemofo bebre na ewom. Na otidi nti awma nipa ebram be nkramufo no ene se ene o sha ase no state ni one by one enti ene ye ba be exame ana ye be responde saade no enti etiri a eda disuan yi so no eye examine the Muslims logic or make I say maybe argument. So examine the Muslims logic or arguments omoma ho asem na ye behwe. Enti mesere se obefa book no pen ne bia de foforo bi Muslim ni bi beba se odesade we be hia wa tinne ono akho no Yakopon asemu ye kantokwa se wo defend no kre no so betim a defend no kre no enti etwa se ofa book no pen no ma yesua adewi yenhwe asema ahase odi kankan o say when I converted a pastor into Islamic religion, a young man came to me and asked, "Why are you giving my people your religion?" Enti pastor bi e na we Christoni e na okọ convert ni mani be kremoni o convert ni wie no e na abrantie bi ba bi say di enti a wo twe a Christofo akọ osum nim e na o sha ase e state 1 enti o ka one bi a ye be exame ye mani nka logic e mani fa logic bi amba ento asum di eri kan the mechanic say onua sa pastor no convert no me pena hwe but I don't believe say for Church of Christ ni ya can aka chere mo say the entire church say we are nyina every day common sense family Muslims so traditional so omuti nkoye debate etwe binom say be omo from one Christopher and etim di binom so no san ko from Church of Christ for one team the Church of Christ ni nkoye debate say cloud debate no nua wa fail yenye enti za ni pakro no converting no first of all onye Christoni the person otiase no onye Christian nti say Muslims in mo tie me the person otiase say sa go for am convert wo no they are not Christians cannot leave his religion and follow your fake religion enti the person mo de tumutim eno no the eto so ebiem number 1 we are topic no answer man can or say I gave Christians Islam because they didn't have Christianity in their book. You need Christianity e book. Ade ma ba be kire wa ha. They ade na me kire. Me ka kire say Christian religion. E yen kom hye ani Yesu Kristo ahyeda ho. Onyankopon ahyeda ho. Say etwase sa ade ne yede. Esi ma ka minwan empe no kre anti won panti a ye ne de ye be kan a kire. Na asemo kan wase no so ebehia se ebe exame asemo kan wase ni say Christian religion no kolampu no pagans abosonso fo ne de bai no kokotu Acts chapter 11 onua wutie mi awo yes ade no mpese okotu quotation koro Acts 11:20 so quote say pagans ye be kan ho ne ya so kan pagans phobia o kan botunsun phobia ono gina so e kasana o say Acts 11 verse 20 says, and when he found him, he brought him to Antioch. So far a whole year, Barnabas and Saul met with the church and taught great numbers of people. The disciples were first called Christians at Antioch. Didn't you first buy? The catcher was a Bible was here. I do best stating say, obest bia, it was all we didn't hear. Was stated because go bit market and the believers were called Christian, but or the first a Sunday. Kurokulo befro musa buy, didn't hear. Say Usuya, where's Zami, no huno, no the pagans. Bible, oh, can more. Me who maybe you can say the pagans were called the Christians, called the believers Antioch. And to me, you have a Bible why. Nija pagans, no, Jabson for say before a year Christopher. Any Bible baby, I say, I was soon for a 2 dins a Christopher. Now, in India, even no way, or no, I may say, men no, ever come once in me. If we say, Medicana chill, we are with him, Medicana chill no creno. I won't say, Obefa. Mbeso befa dia ye na yeti no ye mfa no krene asem we ma kan wa ha kire no ha na mo hu say the Christian name no e onu Nyankopon no e na e de bae e onu Nyankopon ana onu awurade e na e de toye afei no okeka ensem bi or the Christianity by say Christianity no so any Bible e wo message na e wo honim do me pese me to me kire on say we are our religion is called Christian religion. Me, I'm a Christian. I'm not Christianity. Let me sort you say no. I'm not Christianity. Make man Christianity. Then we are two. Say me back up in the heart. Say me general me defending no great. Become one. Listen, me catch you say Christianity. Two of us, our religion is called Christianity. The Empire say, as Christians, we are united. We are unity. Christianity is from the word Christianos, which is the Greek word, plus unity, which is combined to form the word Christianity. The Empire say Christian, a word for any unity. Near the boom Christianity. Or no, yes, any poor Kubinumashia, almost Jesus Christ, no more say Christianity. The religion is Christianity. Christians and united. Brofana no, but the people so more some now must be Christian, you know. You're free Christians. So we persuade religions also a Christian religion. Tines also ne already all the ibia me on be ya men gin to me go me frame me who say Christianity. Why? And I'm also say one of we Muslims no. Or movies almost a bit yes so cool and he found by go to be make so. But then be almost say but so in find Quran the ball. The word Islamic religion. By Jetum or Mumfam Brahmi. And while we Muslim now meeting there to comment session Nancy. Because bisa, but mom mind me so I miss me so can. Me say, my Bible no hefana or the Islamic religion e buy. Mo sorry mo Quran him hefan and what they buy. Afei, I say, or catch all say, or winjai, the obeti masana kama. But who say some near fake and say, yes, Christian have been no or no one sa. Intimate just because I'm more son. When you have a cultural say, Sa use now more say, dear and your saying, I didn't no crampers or tennis say, Asano, Yen Christians, Yen Sawa Sunday, Yen function in Yamia, and then get back in popular now converting on your Christian, So a Christian young confunctioning, and I asa say giddy. Enko asondanim enti ko ne kope Christian ni papa te se me gina hai no ne nkoye Bible hu debate onua me ka chiro se enye yen ena yesawai na omo sa no nya Christopher. 1 Peter chapter 4 verse 16 o kire say if any man suffer as a Christian, so I'm suffering as a Christian. Onua enye Christo na midinachi, so our word Christian no Bible ni jitum ano de kire Acts chapter 26 verse 28. Actually, say Paul a Christian. Enti Paul is also a Christian. Enti ko convert Agrippa. Or hina Agrippa mo no so be Christian. Enti 26 verse 28 Acts and they say Agrippa can say kaka krabi nka Paul man here there. Christian onua Christian ene obi odi Christo achi. Enye pagans bi na de to ye. Be for prove mbla. Sa Acts 11 am ko to no eni ba bia say pagans ena efo yen a Christopher, any baby, enti, my nsɛm bi yie ne me ka sɛ yɛbɛkɔ akɔhwɛ quotation na ɛkyerɛ sɛ Yesu Kristo ɛna ɛto yɛ din no yɛnkɔ ne yɛnkɔhwɛ saa quotation no yɛbɛhu saa asɛm wei a menua gyina so wɔka no a wɔ sɛ yɛfa din bi ato yɛ so na deɛn ɔkeka nsɛm bebree enti yɛnkɔpɛ quotation no ne yɛnhwɛ saa asɛm wei a yɛnua yi anaa aberanteɛ yi ɛkaeɛ no but before na yɛbɛkɔ no mpɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ quotation bi ɛwɔ ha Philippians chapter 13 verse 13 asɛm a mebɛka ne nyinaa ne sɛ yɛnua ne ka kyerɛ yɛ sɛ yɛn akristofoɔ no Bible no baabi no wɔkyerɛ sɛ worship no yɛnsom yɛnsom adeɛ bi afrɛ Trinity anaa yɛnsom ɔno nya Yesu Kristo no ɛnyɛ sɛ yɛsom no na ɔno ankasa no bɛyɛ ɔsom God one God enti deɛ nti yɛbɔ Yesu Kristo din sɛ yɛsom a som na ɔkasa twa sɛ som na Yesu Kristo anaa wɔn konkom bi abam na one God no na ɛsɛ abam no yɛntie ɔse Bible no mu ɛni baabi a na mɛkyerɛ ne sɛ ɔnsua deɛ a ɔma argument Philippians chapter 3 verse 3 Philippians chapter 3 verse 3 ɔbɛka nsɛm wei ayia no ama yɛnua no ama na afɛre na wa wutie mi no on subscribe wo channel na mesere sɛ obe subscribe ama me sɛne ayi bia ɛnya sɛ me send link ama wo nsa bɛka Philippians 3 verse 3 ɔse for we are the circumcision which worship God in the spirit by the spirit of God and rejoice glory in Christ Jesus and have no confidence in the flesh. Onya, how many deities no bo mudin ha? Or say we worship God in the spirit. So how I say yes to which spirit? The Bible or the Holy Spirit say I can one seven no. We are not some boy is Christ din. Ain't it a Trinity na ye can or no idea? Trinity na ye can or no idea. We worship God in spirit. We worship God in spirit. So, me pese mi nua no otis asem no ase. We worship God in spirit. We worship God through Jesus Christ. But the fa no so no nyina ne say ono na ema faith bi say yamfo no so a yenko na gyanchen. Onua yesu nyakopon through these three deities. Into onja is argument no ma say ni Bible bi. Oni ba bi ewa omiana no. Philippians 3 verse 3 o say sa Trinity we esuna e fasom ono nyankopon no. Koye o say we worship God through spirit and Jesus Christ. Ndi asem na o ma no. Enti onja is argument no. Ema onua na ye sua no ne oso ye de wo twere ebi gu ho. No, any arguments but could be an oma our can say Antioch for more Christian and pagans. Me say come free chapter 1 more pagans din ewo. Acts chapter 11 verse 26 more pagans bia edin ewo. Act chapter 13 no on so say now they were in the church that was at Antioch certain prophets and teachers as Barnabas and Simon that was called Niger and Lucius of Cyrene and Manian which had been brought up with the foster brother of Herod the Tetrarch and so nti sangufu abubo mudin wa haiso mo Antioch no why not say oka pagans ewum enti onja is argument no ma say pagans ne true yen a Christopher any Bible by dia one ne ya wo ye no say Christians enti wo frɛ omo a Christopher enti etwa say yen so ye saa ne ma ni bi kono mo fa so ekɔ na fe kai say ne church ni mo wo no ene ma omo frɛ omo a Christopher kai saa asem no church ni mo ano omo wo no ne ma omo frɛ omo a Christopher yemfa saa asem no entu yetim na yen koso enkakai ye ho se ye Christopher efri se ne Paul ankasa no no ye Christoni na Paul ye Christoni a etwa se yenso ye Christoni yɛhwɛ Isaiah ɔna mediasi chapter 62 verse 2 ɛfa Christian no a mesi Nyankopɔn na ɛde to yɛ no ɔse and the Gentiles show shall see thy righteousness and all kings thy glory, and those shall be called by a new name which the mouth of the Lord shall name. Asɛm wei me mekyerɛ mu a ɛwɔ channel so me say ɛyɛ nkɔmhyɛ ɔse saa nkofoɔ no baby a new name no bɛhyɛ ase afiri no ɛbɛhyɛ ase afiri Gentiles no mu Antioch opa onua kɔyɛ research free he Antioch any Israel meaning so what would you Antioch ni Israel and Antioch any Israel no Bible be from some here Gentiles enti Christopher no free Israel man mu call Antioch Gentile man mu no ɛna mu konya saa din no na tie ɔse Isaiah chapter 62 verse 2 and the Gentiles shall see thy righteousness na ɛhwɛ ɔse Acts chapter 11 verse 26 and when he had found him he brought him unto Antioch which is the Gentiles no can or Isaiah 62 verse 2 yanto aso Acts 11:26 or to also say and it came to pass that a whole year they assembled themselves with the church or say Isaiah 62 verse 2 and they shall see thy righteousness sa assemble themselves to the church no eye teneni o omuhu ye enti na omuye de esa eye assemble de call asondanu with the church no so the Antioch no mo assemble with the church only your righteousness Isaiah say omu behu no yenko yento aso Isaiah ho no and all kings glory and those shall be called by a new name yento aso Isaiah chapter 11 verse 26 or say and taught much people and the disciples were called or see some people they will be called thy new name. They will be called thy new name. So that new name no and our Gentiles no they were called Christians first in Antioch. And I make sure say Antioch any Israel na mum e wa man na ne wo atwa Israel mu ahia no na e ka ho. Enti Isaiah nkomhye no and e fulfill Acts 11:20 pagans be unto you Christian onua da foforo na hia ni aye bezamin nkremofo omo argument a omo ma dikina aka jom say Islamic religion no omo mpemfiri omo Quran ni mame na omo njai de omo dikan Christianity is both Christianos plus unity combined together Christianity ni esua Bible last day na me no share no na dey asa na me kan me say Bible na omo ka say ni Bible na nka say book ni no ma tell me say the Bible is from Greek word Biblos no and I English translation no ye dey free Greek member brofum no and I say translation for Biblos e wo English ka say na e friend Bible translation for Biblos the book no ni meaning chile Bible edu nti ase a nyawa no ona mpese oti ase so the Bible no e wo Bible ni if we say mu koran ni so e wo because mu fle yen say the book mu fle book ni the book and that book no Greek fle Biblos and English na translate aba no obe fle ni Bible meaning the book that contain books only one book which is from God. Quran is written by a man. Na move some about 3 years some. So many media bano. Must say Islamic. Most more the any bet 4 years some. Dear Christian. Must say Majimundi. Some must about 1 day Muslim ne buy. Or the Bible sorry. Sorry, the Quran ne buy. You but angel ne buy. Yenti asema. Yena Christopher. Best some ne buy any Bible not tell what Christus but Muhammad or the true Christus. No say angel money omani Quran enti omani Quran dia ye na say ye Christopher no dia se na ye wo kafa ho ye enti asema ye wo kafa ho ye se ye de no komhye wom na nyina gusu e fulfill anya nipa na e fulfill no nyame enti mo so mo Quran no komhye wom ne fulfillment wo ni hu komhye bi wom enti nkomhye ba kwa fulfill a mu na e fa mo Galatians chapter 1 verse 8 but even if we or an angel from heaven should preach a gospel other than the one we preach to you, let him be eternally condemned. Enti mo angel na mo say odi Quran bra Muhammad no Bible na di connection come say bi beba abesa enti en condemn no onua, so we are condemning you through the Bible enya yadwen na mi hiraw na say osom na wo mna usi Islamic no emfiri onu nyame no de efiri nyame no any Christian religion any Bible mudie no bra. The God of the Bible created the world. I want you to meet every day on walking in the light, so that on the end of the age we shall meet at heaven. God bless you. Bye bye.
There's a call comes ringing o'er the restless waves. Send the light, send the light, send the light, send the light. There are souls to rescue, there are souls to save. Send the light, send the light, send the light, send the light. We will spread the everlasting light with the wind, heart in hand, giving God the glory evermore. We will follow His command. Send the light, the blessing gospel light, let it shine, from shore to shore, Send the light, and let its radiant beams light the world, forevermore. We have heard the Macedonian call today. Send the light, send the light, send the light, send the light, and the golden offering at the cross we lay.